summer is coming up, so I wanted to do something fun and easy. And this is literally my go-to makeup look when I want to be glam, but I also want to be chill. Yes, girl, I'm still using Milk and Magnesia until I can find a primer that will stop this oil on my face, okay? I need to figure out what to do with these brows. I need them done. I'll be using NYX's Build Them Up on my brows. I don't even know how to fill my brows in anymore. Like, they're so like unruly now. I just don't even know, but I'm trying, you guys. Look at my face, I'm over these brows. I'm just using the spoolie on my YBF eyebrow pencil. That's LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Just gonna take my time and start outlining my brows. I'm always like super careful when I'm doing this part, just because I'm always scared that, because you know, girl, one mistake on your eyebrows, that's it, it's a wrap, okay? On to the next one. I'm gonna create a little unibrow situation, but it's gonna look better, I promise. Does anyone else use the back of their hand as a palette? Because I really do. Just gonna take the leftover concealer and add it to my eyelid. By adding the concealer to your lid, you're creating a clean slate. So I've been doing this technique for a couple of weeks now, and I absolutely love how it turns out each time. Time to set those eyelids. This CoverGirl is a color D80, which is a little dark for me, and I usually mix it, but today I did not. Foundation time. Oh my gosh, I know I look so crazy right now, but trust me, I won't be looking crazy later. I'm using the color Chestnut. Typically, I like to use a dark color or a darker tone and then go in with a lighter color. Okay, now I'm gonna go in the color Fawn. I usually take my brush and just blend that out before I go in with my beauty blender. Make sure you're going in with a clean beauty blender. Like I said before, this is the most important part. You want to make sure you're patting that right into your skin, making sure it looks flawless, okay? Flawless. I don't know if I go in a little bit too much with my beauty blender, but girl, I goes in. So I'm gonna go in and contour my nose now. For some reason, this helps me so much. I contour my nose right in the middle of me blending my concealer out on my face. I go ahead and contour, sculpt out my nose, and then I go back in with my beauty blender. Ladies, it is legit. Like, your nose will be so snatched, trust me. So for this part, I've created a little song called Blend It Out. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. It's time to bake, ladies. I'm gonna use my black opal finishing powder. Honestly, I love this palette. It's the best purchase I've made in the last couple months. Just gonna blend that color Legacy to my brow bone. All you're doing is bringing that color back to your brow bone and your eyelid. All I'm doing is dragging that color around and steepling it in. I have decided that I have to do something about these eyebrows. I cannot let them look like this anymore. Just remember, when you're doing your makeup, you have to be super patient. Sometimes the color doesn't do what you want it to do at the first try, so you have to go back in, and that's okay. Just be patient. Can you guess what song I'm dancing to right now? I actually really love this mascara. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. Like, that Mega Lash really brings everything together. You didn't think I was gonna let you forget about the bottom lashes, did you? I I love a contour. I love to contour. Like, it just makes me so happy. Alright, you just want to blend that color out. It looks really harsh on camera. It wasn't as harsh in person. I don't bake for too long, 3 minutes tops. Here I'm using my Black Radiance blush in the color Raspberry. Remember this highlighter I got from Forever 21? Well, I'm still using it. It still looks awesome on my skin, so I just love to use it. If you know me, you know I love a good glossy lip, so girl, I'm about to go in. Honestly, I get so excited to do my lipstick that I totally forgot to spray my finishing spray on my face. So I was like, ooh. Yeah, so let's act like that never happened. Moving on. I usually take the darkest lip liner I can find. I pair it with the pinkest pink lipstick, and then I go in with a nude color of choice. TBH, doing lipstick is almost like contouring your face or something. Like, you really have to be patient and keep going in with your brown, because you want that brown to pop when you put your nude on and when you put your lip gloss on, like severely pop. If this part does not make you happy, like, oh my gosh, when I put my nude on, woo! I love that lip liner look where it's like, it's so brown around your lips, but then it's blended out to perfection. So that's why I go back in with the brown, just to make sure that it's brown enough. Like, I want that brown to pop. Alright, so honestly I forgot to put the colors up to show you what I'm using, but they're both MAC Cosmetic lip glosses. The first one was Spice that I used, and the second one was Dreamy. Dreamy has it has a lot of luster to it. It has sparkles in it, so you know, like, I love sparkles. Alright, so I love everything besides my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what new content you want to see. I have a bunch of new ideas, so just stay tuned, girl. Sidebar, girl, quarantine got me messed up. Girl, like, how are y'all living right now? Let me know in the comments below how y'all are dealing with quarantine right now, because I'm not okay. I'm going through all kinds of withdrawals right now, so stay tuned. I have more content coming your way. Hey, welcome back to nope. Nope.